Hello everyone, this is Alex Smith and welcome to Knowledge the Ambition. So today in this particular session, we will discuss about the Rangma Naga tribes and also the Karvi Anglong Autonomous Council. So why we are discussing this? Because they are in news. Here you can see the news, the Rangma Nagas demand Autonomous District Council. The Rangma Nagas in Assam have written to Union Home Minister Amit Shah demanding an autonomous district council amid a decision by the central and the state governments to upgrade the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council into a territorial council. So, it is decided by the central and state governments to upgrade the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council into a territorial council, but here the Rangma Nagas in Assam demanding an autonomous district council. So, before moving forward, let us understand about the Rangma tribes. Rangma Naga. Rangma is a Naga tribe found in Nagaland in Assam state of the India, and according to the 2011 population census of India, Rangma population stands at 62,951. Now here remember this is according to the 2011 population census of India. Now it changes, and the headquarter of the Rangmas in Nagaland is at Simanyu, and the headquarter of the Rangmas in the Assam is located at the Karenga village of the Assam. Now here remember few points from the historical background of the Rangmas. The Rangmas and Lothas were once the part of the single tribes. Now these are both different tribes, but previously these were once a part of a single tribes. There are also the oral records of the mighty struggle between the combined Rangma villages and the Lotha villages at Firo, and also there are records of the Rangmas conflict with the Angami Nagas. In Assam, the Rangma tribals are found in the Karbi Anglong and then Mikir Hills. The Rangmas migrated to then Mikir Hills in the early part of the 1800. Now, as we discussed, it is decided by the central and state government to upgrade the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council into a territorial council. Let's discuss about the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. What is this council? So, let's understand this. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is an autonomous district council in the state of Assam, and it is for the development and protection of the tribal living in areas, namely the Karbi Anglong and the West Karbi Anglong district. This council is constituted under the 6th schedule of the Indian Constitution and administratively functions under the government of the Assam. Now, it was formed with the name Karbi Anglong District Council on the 17th of November 1951, later changed to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council on the 23rd of June 1952, and this the 23rd of June, which is now celebrated as its foundation day. Here remember also this point, the Rangma Hills was partitioned in 1963 between the Assam and Nagaland at the time of the creation of the Nagaland state. Now let's discuss about the Autonomous District Council. What is this Autonomous District Council? So let's understand this. As per the 6th schedule, the 4th state, which is Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram, they contains the tribal areas which are technically different from the scheduled tribe. These areas fell within the executive authority of the state, and provisions has been made for the creation of the district councils and regional councils for the exercise of the certain legislative and the judicial power. Each district is an autonomous district, and governor can modify and divide the boundaries of the said tribal areas by the notification.